It's a new life for me.
My name is Brian Dry. I am the music curriculum specialist from Juilliard. I'm working in the Compton Unified School District.
Lift every voice and sing.
So my purpose of this visit here is to work with the music teachers throughout the Compton Unified School District, and we have been working on professional development to explore the Juilliard resources and the Juilliard materials that they're going to be using with their students. And I've also had an opportunity to demo some of the lessons and activities that we have in our resources, and they get to see how our resources work for their students.
Ring, everybody sing, ring. Ring. Can you put a little emphasis on it? Ring. Like the bell. Ring the bell.
I enjoyed learning a lot of different pitch, how to say things and how to emphasize them, to be honest.
Today, our program was very amazing. We were learning how to change our tones on different types of songs, and we got to participate multiple times. We got into groups, which was very good because many of the students don't really talk as much, and this brought them out to being able to speak more.
The students here are amazing and so creative and curious about music. I can see that they're very passionate about music here and about the performing arts. They're also just excited to learn and excited to be given that space for creative exploration, inquiry, and reflection in the classroom. They're excited to share what they're working on. I've only encountered a lot of joy in the performing arts here so far from the students.
Having an outside support come in and offer some suggestions on things we can do differently with our lesson plans and the execution of those lessons and the music. It was great.